Here I've got BUSH Spira B5 and let me show you how to activate the Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first you have to slide down the upper bar, and here you will notice DND icon. It's right here. Just click on it and now pick the option that you would like to apply. So you can pick either total silence, in which all sound will be blocked, then alarms only, so only alarms will be allowed, and then priority only, in which you will not be disturbed by sounds and vibration except from alarms, reminders, events and colors you specify. So let me choose, for example, alarms only, then let's pick the period of time. So you can either choose it here by entering, or you can select until you turn this off, so then you will have to manually turn it off, and then just click on done. And that's it. As you can see, we are currently in DND mode, so here you can see that it's active, and also the DND icon is in the upper bar. So if you slide it down one more time, you can switch off Do Not Disturb mode smoothly by clicking, but also you can go to the More Settings, smoothly click on More Settings, and here you can add some automatic rules or personalize the priority only allows. So let's start with the first tab, which is priority only allows. And here you can specify the priorities. It's for this priority only mode, so you can turn on or off reminders, events. You can allow messages from no one. Let me click one more time. From anyone, contacts only, start contacts only, or none of above. Let me pick contacts only, and then you can specify the colors that would be allowed, but I will pick none of them. And also here you can activate repeat colors function, so if the same person will call you a second time within a 15-minute period, then your device will allow it. Just click here to activate it. And then the second tab is automatic rules, so smoothly click on it. And now you can add some automatic rule. To do it, just click on add rule, and now enter the name. It will be hard reset. And it can be even time rule or event rule. I will pick time rule. Tap on OK. And now you can specify the days. So for example, let me choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Tap on done. And then period of time, so it can be active between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. next day. And finally just pick the mode, so you can pick either priority only, alarms only or total silence, and I will pick total silence. And that's it. Now this rule is active, so on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. next day, total silent mode will be active. Then you can switch it off by tapping on the switcher, or you can permanently delete some rule by tapping on the particular rule, then click on the bin icon and confirm that you would like to remove it by tapping on delete. As you can see, it disappeared. So this is it. This is how you can activate and personalize Do Not Disturb mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.